In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kaiber settings. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the essential controls that keep your account organized and your creative workflow smooth. Start by logging into Kaiber using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, which might appear as your avatar or initials. Click that profile icon to open a small menu, then choose Account. This takes you to the central hub where you can view and manage your key settings. At the top of the account page, you'll typically see your credits. Credits power your activity in Kaiber, so think of them as the fuel for generating or processing content. Keep an eye on this number so you can plan projects without interruptions. If you're running low, this is your quick signal to review your plan options or adjust your workload accordingly. Next, look for your plan details. Here you can check which plan you're currently on and see what each tier includes. This is helpful if your needs change over time. For instance, if you find yourself creating more often, a higher plan might provide more credits or features that save you time. If you use Kaiber less frequently, a lower plan could be more cost-effective. Make note of your renewal date and any limits that matter to your workflow, such as monthly credits or export options. You'll also find a section for referrals. This is where you can share Kaiber with others and potentially earn rewards, depending on current promotions. It's a simple way to support friends or colleagues who might benefit from the tool while also getting something back for yourself. Under personal information, you can edit details like your display name or other basic profile fields. Keep this area up to date so your account is easy to recognize and manage. Avoid adding unnecessary sensitive information here. Just include what's needed to personalize your experience. In billing, you can review payment methods, view past invoices, and keep track of upcoming charges. It's a good habit to check that your payment details are current and to download receipts if you need them for your records or reimbursements. Finally, there's the option to delete your account. Use this only if you're sure you no longer need Kaiber. Deleting is typically permanent, so back up any important creations first and understand that remaining credits may be lost. That's it. Log in, open your profile, head to account, and manage everything from credits and plans to referrals, personal info, billing, or even account deletion. Thanks for watching and happy creating.